Alright, working on a rear tire here on a soft tail. What year?
This is 2010.
2010, soft tail, slightly modified. How much air was in there again?
30, about 33, 34.
33. Okay, so we got a
33.
air compressor tester here. We're gonna test it out here and see what's gonna happen here. I think there's a leak in that tire right here. I think there's a hole in it. At least there will be a hole in a minute. Okay, so this is our fancy case here. It's nice. I hear a leak. You hear that leak?
You wanna let it all go?
Yeah. It's a big tire. Is that a 200? Close to it?
200.
200. Looks like an 18. Oh, ran over a nail. We need a plug. Looks like we need a tire plug. You got a tire plug laying around? It's a fancy looking thing here. That's good enough. Find your tire plug?
Oh yeah, it's right here.
It's right there?
Plug this real quick.
I got a tool right there too and everything. Look at that. Yeah. Ran over a portable nail with his own tool to put it back in. Perfect. Okay, well, it's got a light on it. Got all kinds of crap on here. See if it works. Right out of the box.
Alright.
Right out of the box, it doesn't work.
Need some power.
I am powering it.
It probably needs to be plugged in.
Oh, you got that back in there yet?
Need some juice.
You got that all hooked up?
Yeah.
Here, see if you can make that work. You look like you're smart.
There she is.
What'd you do?
Just hit the button.
I did hit the button a bunch of times. It's like the cell phone doesn't work with me hitting it. Okay, it worked with him hitting it.
Alright, so we want to take this down to about 35, I guess.
What'd you have this set up? 33, 5?
Yeah, it was at 33, so it's probably supposed to be 35.
33 looks good to me. I'm gonna run at 35. 33 is perfect.
Alright, there's 33.
Now, right out of the box, it's got only half a battery. Look at that. What kind of a crappy system is that? Turn that light on. See if that light works. It's one of those buttons down there. Oh, there it goes. Ooh. Oh. Geez.
Oh,
Right in
so
my
bright.
eyes. Right in my eyes. See if you can see that hole up in there. Is there a hole up under there? Where's that hole at? Can you see that hole?
Right there.
Oh, there it is. That's the hole. Okay, we're gonna fix that hole. Oh, what's that going up and down? That's neat.
So, you got light. Must be, that's SOS,
Don't
right?
care about
So,
emergency.
light.
Okay.
I must,
Flashing annoying light.
flashing light. And then you got SOS.
Really annoying light. What's the next one do?
That's it.
No
Turns it
alarm,
off.
whistles, bells,
Yep.
smoke cloud.
Do you want to put a full charge on this before we make it work?
No, that's how it comes out of the box. Why would I do anything different? It was made to be used. It's sitting in my saddlebag for a year.
Well,
We gotta see if it's gonna work real world. Just plug it right in and make it go.
I don't think that's how it works.
That's not how it works. You want some extra parts?
How about the hose?
Well, I was trying to get this stuff out, but didn't want to come out. Okay, what else we got in here? We got all kinds of crap in here.
You can air up your,
this is
your
for poke-
basketball.
This is for poking a hole in the tire. You got an adapter here for a longer cord.
Inflate your whatever.
What else? You got a power thing in here. Here's a power thing off your computer. It powers off your computer. Look at that.
Alright.
USB port. Okay, you got to click that lever over.
Alright, we're there.
Get it clicked over up under there.
I'm guessing in.
Just hit on.
Oh, look, it has its own presettings.
We don't want those presettings. Oh, it's got all
Yeah.
kinds of lights on going on there.
Alright, that's what we want, right?
Yeah, that's what you want. Yeah, it works. What time is it? Time it. How long does it take? You got an hourglass around here? Yeah, about the normal noise for them. So it's showing, yeah, it's showing the pounds as it goes up. So it's 35.
We lost a lot of battery real quick.
We got 4 pounds. Are we down to the last battery?
Yeah. I don't think she's gonna make it.
I don't know. We'll find out.
You got a long ways to go.
I don't know. If it doesn't make it, we're gonna have a problem getting home. We're stuck out in the middle of nowhere here. See, it's just all desert, nothing else around. Stuck on the side of the road out in the middle of Vegas desert. 6 pounds. Can we get home on 6 pounds?
If I had to.
If you had to, I get home with 0 pounds.
In the middle of the desert, I'm getting home one way or the other.
Yeah, we're gonna get home. We are gonna get home. We might only be doing 20 mile an hour.
Or at least to the closest bar. You know what I mean?
Whatever. We might be 15 or 20 mile an hour. We're gonna get home. Obviously, you want to be on the freeway with a flat tire, but you'd be surprised how far you can go at 10, 15 pounds, 10, 15 mile an hour.
Not great for your tire, but
I don't care about the tire. I want to get home.
better than sitting out in the middle of the desert with snakes and cockroaches.
Well, that tone's gonna cost you $200. Tire's gonna cost you $200. Which one do you want to do? Tire's already got a hole in it, so it's probably bad already. 9.5 pounds. Sneaking up. Oh, we hit 10.
Oh, we're blinking.
It's blinking now.
Battery's blinking on us now.
Uh-oh.
I don't think we're gonna make it.
We're not gonna make it. We're not gonna
Give
get
this
home.
thing a fair test. We probably should put a full charge on it and start over.
Well, half charge, we only get half a tire. That's not very good.
I don't even know if that was a half charge.
Look, it's halfway up. Well, we'll get to see how long it takes to charge it now, too. See. I'll guarantee at 12 PSI I can ride that home.
With a smile on my face.
No problem at all. I'll get down the hill. It's not right, but I'll get home. At 12 pounds, I'd keep that probably about 50 miles, 55 mile an hour.
Well, the faster you go, the more pressure you create, right? It's gonna get heat.
Well, you got to pull over at about 5 miles and check the tire temp. If the tire is nice, is relatively cool, keep on going. If it's hot, stop, let it cool off. You don't want to destroy the tire from cooking it. Because when it's flat, that rubber's making a lot of heat. Well, we're gonna make 15.
We're almost to halfway.
If we get to 20, I'm golden.
It sounds quiet. We're starting to struggle a little.
Well, I'll tell you right now, with 10 to 12 pounds, I drag race 130 mile an hour. Don't go very far, but I get it fast. And for land speed racing, I only run like 20 to 25, so. Yeah, I don't fill them up when I race. I want some flex in that tire. Sounds the same, doesn't it? Oh, what happened?
That's 16 and a half.
Oh, it only got halfway there. Oh, geez, what a piece of crap. Half charge, halfway. I know it's still flashing green. It should still be good. Hit it again. Turn it on again. We'll get some more of that thing. There we go. We never shut off just once. We're going to see what's going to really get. We want to get to 20 pounds before we call it a day.
I don't like it. Nope, won't even give it to us now. Come on. Come on, baby.
We're 18 and a half. Yeah, we'll let it sit for about 3 minutes.
Alright, so I'll go charge this so we can give it a fair review.
We're gonna go for all of it.
And I have another one over here. We can test them head to head.
I already,
Give them both a good charge.
well, you can put my big one on there. It would blow this thing away big time. I can fill up a truck tire as long as it takes to do that. Like most of these things, it's all about how much power is in them and how much compressor you got on them. Now, what's nice is the heat's not really that bad.
No, it's just slightly warm. It didn't run very long.
What's that, like 120 pounds maybe at most? If even that much?
120 pounds?
I mean 120 degrees, I mean. I don't think it's even that much. 110 maybe?
I mean, it's just barely warm to me.
Yeah, it's probably about 110.
It's warmer on the hose.
The hose gets hot. Yeah, that's where the hot air is. And even that's not very hot because these things burn you easily when you touch them. So heat's not too bad.
Alright, we'll go get this thing some real charge.
Oh, I thought that was a real test. To me, it failed because it didn't charge the battery right out of the damn box.
Man. Like, listen, if you're out on the road and you haven't charged your stuff up before you go,
Well,
I think
it's charged enough to ride because it's at 18.5 pounds. Okay, so what's that, USB to...
yeah, I got this in the house.
We need?
Yeah.
Okay, we're going to charge it up, see how long it takes. We'll be back.